Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Shane McRetro video. As usual, we always have something a little bit different, a little bit odd. I have released a video sort of related to this. We've got 6 minutes to fill, so let's see what we can do. First up, here are some references. Take note of them if you're doing something similar. Now, we were dealing with a classic Mac. 68K, so it was a 68,000. Nothing special. That's the same CPU that you'd find in a Sega Mega Drive. Macintosh Classics, they're not, I don't like them. If it's not an LC 475 or Performer 475, I'm not really interested. It can't do anything. It's a black and white screen, so making it do something like browse the web is very difficult. Well, not satisfying. This is what we managed to get it to do, though, which isn't too bad. I was able to... so many problems. The web browsers of the time only supported HTML 0.9, so it wasn't a version 1 release yet. And it shows. But it shows even worse because you're coupled with a black and white screen. Now, how do you display color or gradients on a black and white screen? Okay, gradients isn't so bad, but colors is a problem. As you can see here, using ASCII art, well, not too bad. Something to do with Harry Potter or something, I think. Here are just some still images, just capturing the magic. So we were using the retrojunkie.net website. Currently I use a CDN, content distribution network, which allows the website to be a little bit faster. Unfortunately, it also forces things like TLS and better HTML. So Cloudflare essentially would block these. And this Mosaic, it crashed a couple of times. It basically came down to Cloudflare was blocking the ability to load HTML 0.9. And some of these browsers, they're so old, and there's the hard drive out of it. This is not in any order. This is just chaos. The original hard drive was faulty. We were trying to put a RASCSI in it, which is a Raspberry Pi based SCSI implementation of a SCSI 50-pin internal bus. So we were getting forbidden, which was actually Cloudflare. That was Cloudflare blocking it. So I tried telnetting in, seeing what I was actually getting. So you do get / and that gets the root, and it says bad request. And you can see that it says Cloudflare in there. So Cloudflare had something to do with it. So I turned off Cloudflare. And I just exposed the IP address just straight out to the internet, no protection. And what we actually found from that is that it worked. But you could only resolve one site. But there you go, there's the same telnet, get /, no problem. As you can see, there's an IP address in the address bar, but it's loaded the GeoCities. We did it with Assembler Games, which I've taken offline now. And here we have it telling us the character set for some reason. I don't know why I highlighted that. Oh, I was comparing it to this in the original. So it was actually changing UTF-8 to the other one. Here are some logs, so you can actually see where the web browser was connecting, and if there were any connection issues, using tail on the Apache access log. Boy, sure did get a lot of information in. Look, it worked, and I just wanted to put these videos and photos up there just so that we have a record of them, because honestly, this project was done was so long ago. It would have been probably April 22. We're now in May, late May 2023. But I think it's important for this sort of stuff just to be there. Just so if someone stumbles across it, it might give them an idea or that little spark that they might need to work out what the heck they're doing. Anyway, I recommend an LC475 if you can get one, or even better, an emulator. Shane McRetro signing off. Thanks for watching. So this is a test of the microphone. Let's try typing on the keyboard. Let's see how it sounds. This is a test of the microphone. Not too bad. And that's a good test.